welcome to another episode. I'm Cherry. It's a little cold outside, so I'm gonna warm you up with some hugs and some mugs. What do I mean by that? Take a look, we're making hot chocolate bombs today. They are all over the internet. You melt them and they make a hot cup of cocoa, and they're so cool to watch them just dissolve. Oh, I make them a little different by leaving them open and adding little chocolate surprises like this roller skate in it so that you can actually see it melt and see everything in there. It's gonna be fun today. Stick with me. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the thumbs up and the notification bell so you know when I come out with a new video. Let's figure out what we need to make these chocolate bombs. Where do I start? There's so many cool things we can include in them. The first thing you're gonna need though is a cocoa powder. So you can do like Swiss Miss or Nesquik strawberry. You can even go out and get a Starbucks little instant packet so you can put coffee in your bomb. And I got some really cute items. I found these at Walmart. Check this out. Rainbow marshmallows. And if they're too big, we can always cut them up a little bit, but they are so adorable. This one is a strawberry marshmallow. It actually looks like a strawberry, and inside there's supposedly some chocolate. I can't wait to try these. And then I got some icing decorations, which you can buy anywhere at any grocery store. And we also need chocolate. Now, there are different varieties of chocolate you can use. These are called compound chocolate, which you might have seen in my other videos, like my truffle video. Candy Quick, which is one of my favorite things to melt because it's really forgiving and easy to work with. Or you can use what we're gonna use today, which is real chocolate, which has cocoa butter in it. And this is one of my favorite brands from Trader Joe's. It is 72% cacao, and it's delicious. Then you're gonna need this floppy thing, which is a silicone bomb mold. It's really a mold that comes in different sizes, and you can use it for so many different projects. Another thing we can use are chocolate molds. And these are really, really cool because they come in all shapes and sizes. But I'm gonna try to make some roller skates to make them unique, as well as a numbers and letters mold so we can celebrate special occasions. So let's get started on that chocolate. Get yourself a parchment paper, put it on your board there, and then open up your chocolate and we're gonna chop it on here. Whoa. Here's that chocolate all chopped up. We're gonna need to melt it in the microwave and we're gonna test it with a thermometer because guess what? You're gonna learn how to temper chocolate with me today. Everything I know about chocolate is from Jacques Torres, the chocolate James Bond himself. I used to watch him when I was a kid, but you might know him from his latest series, Nailed It, which is one of my favorite shows. We're gonna start with about 30 seconds and then go at 10 to 15 second intervals. And we're gonna get it mostly melted, but not all the way. As you can see, it's starting to melt. And in between intervals in the microwave, you definitely wanna mix it. Now make sure that the bowl is not wet and the spatula is not wet because you don't wanna get any water in there because that will seize up the chocolate. We can check the temperature already on this after we stir it together gently. I just wanna check it out the window. It doesn't work, I think I broke it one time when I was making my mochi donuts. I don't have another candy thermometer, so we're gonna have to do this without a thermometer. We're going for 95 degrees if you have a thermometer. So let's just say we got it at 95 degrees. To temper it, we need to bring it down to 79. So we can either sit here and slowly stir it, or we can bring it down by putting in chocolate that's not melted, just kind of gradually, and then take the temp of that until it gets to 79 degrees. I have my baking pan and my silicone mat, and my silicone molds is gonna go on top of that. And what we're gonna do is pour it into the mold. Pour some chocolate in, swirl it around. See how that's coming out real smooth? If you don't have like the patience to wait for that, you can take a spoon and go like that because it's gonna fall back in there anyway, and you can coat it up to the edge there. And we're gonna try and put a second coat on there to make sure the chocolate is a nice, strong coat. I challenge you to try not to make a mess with chocolate. After 5 minutes, it's already pretty solid there. We can put our second coat on, and I'm gonna try and do it with the pastry brush this time. Slightly smoother with the spoon. Now back in the freezer. We're gonna do something special with the white chocolate candy melts here. We're gonna separate them and turn them into different colors so that we can fill in our molds with different little details. One. Same thing, we're gonna put in the microwave, melt it for about 30 minutes.
Instead of an explosion in your mouth of a chocolate bomb, you're gonna have an explosion in your microwave.
30 seconds to 1 minute, and then at like 10 to 15 second intervals. Most of my white chocolate is now melted. I'm gonna add a little bit of this shortening in there just to keep it a little bit more. Go in there, shortening. Swim with the chocolate. I don't want to. He's gonna melt in there with the chocolate and keep it a little bit more fluid. Time to do the white chocolate bombs. This is my rainbow of mini bowls. They are silicone bowls. They can be placed in the microwave. I'm gonna use them to mix just a little bit of color into each little portion of white chocolate. It's time for my favorite part, decorating. This is where we get to be creative. We have roller skates here. So let's put a little heart in the wheel. That would be really, really cute. What color should we make the wheels? Should we make them yellow? If you don't work with the chocolate fast enough, it'll harden. I think I might have to melt this one more time. Let's try the pink. Oh yeah, see, that's more fluid. That's easier to do. It's not doing what I want at all. See this? Do not do this. Method number 2. We are gonna try just pouring the white chocolate into the mold, and we're gonna paint it later with the little details. That probably will work much better. Tap it down, get all the air bubbles out, and then I'm gonna start putting in the brown skate details here. You did well, young Padawan. All right, time for the freezer. I'm gonna do 21 for 2021. Where's the 2? 1, 2, there we go. It's backwards. Don't forget to just tap it right there on the counter to get the air bubbles to come to the top and pop it in the fridge or freezer. If there ever was a fun marshmallow, you have got to see this. Look, oh my gosh, they are so fun. And they smell like a very sweet, light cotton candy. Check these out. Look how cool that is. That's a marshmallow in the shape of a strawberry. Genius. I'm so curious. I think I want to try it. Ooh. Look at that marshmallow texture. I'm looking for that chocolate they said is in there. Oh, wow. That's amazing. I totally like it. It's actually not too sweet. For a marshmallow too. It's yummy. This one tastes just like a strawberry shortcake doll. I know, I never ate my dolls, I promise. This one though, very sugary, so don't add any more sugar to your drink if you're gonna use these, but I just am in love with the swirly rainbow colors on there. Now I'm gonna open my rainbows. Oh! I cheated, I actually took off one of the rainbows already, and then Allie came over and she said, I don't wanna peel a rainbow! And she peeled this one off. Oh yes! Now we are going to pop out the roller skates. Let's take a look at what they look like. Okay, this side is terrible, right? Let's look at this side. Okay, that's not so good either, but the boot look actually pretty okay from that side. So let's go ahead and pop them out and see what we got. I'm so excited. Try not to break the mold. Oh, there we go. It came out pretty easy. Oh! See the hearts came out just a little bit. That one's kind of awkward, but it's not too bad. We can use our finger to kind of get off the edge there and make it a little bit smoother. See those little things? We just crack them off. Abstract, really abstract, this one. There we go. 3 roller skates, babe. Look at our cute little plate. I'm so excited. We're gonna go ahead and paint these with the extra chocolate we have here. Watch and learn, baby. Maybe someday I will tell you guys about my skating history. A few of you watching out there already know my skating history because you skated with me. Shout out to my friend Heidi. Woo woo. Heidi, does this look like one of the skates that we skated with? I'm gonna show you how to assemble the chocolate bombs, because they're bomb. Here they are out of the freezer right here on this side. And we have completed our little decorations on this side. And we're ready to do it, baby. Which should we do first? We're gonna start by popping them out of the mold. Okay, everybody, hold your breath because we do not want to crack these, right? We have to be really careful with them. Ooh, whoa, pretty, oh my gosh. Wow, look at that. The outside's gorgeous. So smooth. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pop out all of these. See what happens when you don't go all the way up to the edge. It has a little bit of a hole, but that's okay. The hole is fine in the igloos. These look really cool. I am loving the style. Next, we do the small bombs. You can use them for like eyeballs, you know, like if you want to be a pirate for Halloween or something. To make what I call an open bomb, you just take 1/2 and then I'm gonna pour some extra chocolate on the bottom here so it sticks. And I'm gonna stick it right in the chocolate. Yay! Let's do the 21. Allie, what do you think? The chocolate one or the white one?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Okay. Put that in there. There we go. It's working. Time to tear open the hot cocoa. Right. Now it's time for sprinkles, because I can't wait anymore. We can't forget we gotta add marshmallows, so let's just put sprinkles everywhere. Look how beautifully they cut. They actually look like mini marshmallows. I'm so excited. Put some strawberries in there, and then we can add some of these other marshmallows. They're so cute. I don't know about you, but for me, the more marshmallows, the better. Here's my trick. Instead of standing over the stove and heating it on a hot pan, you can just heat the plate in the microwave, and look at it, it's already melting the edges. Fit it onto the ball like that. So do it for all of them. All right, next one. We hit it with the sprinkles, baby. And we're gonna plop a marshmallow on there too, because they're cute. Not cooperative, this marshmallow. I'm gonna have to put you through marshmallow boarding school. Chocolate! Oh my gosh, I can't believe how cute they are. I'm putting the last strawberry on the last one here in the middle. This one for sure is my favorite. Check it out. Isn't that gorgeous? An open hot chocolate bomb. Oh, little strawberry, go back. There we go.
Look at this display. It looks like retro, rainbow, birthday party time. I hope you enjoy making these.
We're putting the hot cocoa bomb right in there. It's the one with the roller skate. And I'm about to pour the milk. Get ready. Please work. Is it hot enough to melt the bomb? Oh, it's melting. Oh, wow, it's totally melting. Oh, look, you can see the roller skate and all the marshmallows. I'm gonna try it. Actually, that's really good. I think I have to mix it just a little bit though. Can you see that? The cocoa is now dispersed throughout, and oh wow, look at that. You can even see the rainbow. Actually, you could really taste that white chocolate. It tastes like a melted ice cream. Don't tell anyone I said that. That is super satisfying. I love it. You're gonna love these bombs. Thank you, Glamour and Sugaries, for coming today and hanging out with me. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so we can make more cool things together. And that thumbs up. I hope you had a great time. Enjoy making your hot chocolate bombs with your loved ones while we have to stay inside. And I'll see you next time. Bye. They come in bulk at any store. And, do they come in bulk? Works good as a fan too. Okay, this one is absolutely awful, but I've got to pull my pants up to know when I'm gonna eat this bomb. Please hit that subscribe button. Subscribe button.